Triberg is a charming town nestled in the heart of the Black Forest in Germany, known for its picturesque landscapes, stunning waterfalls, and world-renowned cuckoo clocks. If you were to look on a map, it's around the middle of the forest, but thanks to its central location, it's fairly visited, and if you use the public transportation, the good news is the town of Triberg has its own train station. My first stop is directly to the Tallest Waterfalls in Germany. The admission fee is €6, actually a fair package including the Schwarzwald Museum and the Triberg Fantasy. The Gutach Falls is certainly one of the tallest accessible waterfalls, with water cascading down 7 steps into the valley below. This is a popular place for most visitors to Triberg. Even if the place at any time and season is visited by many tourists, the community exerts full effort in order that the waterfall must retain much of its natural beauty. And I tell you, it is an ideal place to unwind and appreciate the magnificent beauty of nature. From the waterfalls, I headed towards the Schwarzwald Museum, which is a walking distance from the waterfalls. The Black Forest Museum shows you the many facets of this fascinating region. Built in the 1936, the versatile Black Forest Museum in Triberg shows the past and present cultural and economic life of the Black Forest people. It exhibits Black Forest clocks over 4 centuries, Black Forest traditional costumes, wood carvings, straw weaving, and old trade workshops, such as original clock makers. Particularly worth saying are the unique automated music boxes, an original village band, mining shafts with their rare minerals, and a landscape model train exhibition of the Black Forest Railway. There is also a barrel organ collection, which is one of the largest in Europe. After the museum, I went to the Triberg Fantasy. It is a huge exhibition space, is ideal as an Instagram photo studio. It offers great motifs, vibrantly presented and with lots of bright colors. Inside is where the largest piece of Black Forest cake can be found. Speaking of cake, one must not miss to taste the original Black Forest cake. In Triberg, it cost around €3. I finally made my way to Schonachbach, a 20-minute walk from Triberg city center. There you can find the world's largest cuckoo clock. Completed in 1994, a distinction it has held since 1997 when entered the Guinness Book of Records. When visiting the gorgeous Black Forest, you should definitely plan to visit this amazing creation. One can make the giant clock play by dropping a coin at the coin acceptor mounted on the wall. Then the huge clock begins to play.
It's working!
This gigantic cuckoo clock also served as a museum. Inside the museum, you will find various designs of cuckoo clocks, and it also comes in different sizes. The area is known as Uhren Park or Clock Park. It was an incredible experience. I really appreciate the craftsmanship and the legacy it brings to the people, not only in Germany but all over the world. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, tschüss!